Hello friends, this is the most easiest and delicious dessert that you can make in just 2 minutes. If you have a sweet tooth just like me, you should really try this. I'm using Madeira cake here, but you can use any plain sweet cake that's easily available to you. Break the cake into little crumbs using your hands or fork and set a layer. Pour the fresh double cream 250 ml all over the cake. Using a fork, give it a little mix so the cream can get absorbed in the cake properly. Now adding 400 gram mixed tinned fruit. You can also use fresh grapes or strawberries. Now pour the 50 ml of double cream over the fruit. I normally use 12 or flake chocolate as they easily break with hands, but you can use any other pure chocolate. Sprinkle the chocolate and your dessert is ready. For best creamy texture, keep it in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. If you like the recipe, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more amazing recipes.